Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming the Xpert Oven sits level and has 3. Once preheated, you choose the appropriate mode and temperature because heat distribution changes with mode. Convection uses the fan for faster, even cooking. Make sure to adjust temp in 5 degrees steps to match recipes and set the timer to avoid overcooking. You should place your tray on the center rack for uniform browning or move up for crisping. While the oven runs, monitor through the window and use the internal light. This prevents opening the door and losing temperature. When the timer ends, you open the door slightly and wait 2 minutes to let residual heat stabilize.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.